Listen, guys, if you have ever stared at your phone wondering how people are making real money online, trust me, while you are still trying to figure out where to start, this video is for you. You know why? Because in this video today, I'm going to break down the 3 beginners friendly side hustle that can actually help you to make your first $100 per month online, even if you have zero experience or no special skill and no subscribers. That is not a problem. And know this, okay? This isn't some get rich quick nonsense schemes. No, these are practical and real and proven low barrier digital income ideas that thousands of people are using right now in 2025 in order to make money online and at home using nothing but their smartphones or laptop. So grab a notepad, silence your distractions, because if you take actions on even one of these side hustles, your next 30 days could completely be different, right? So let us dive in immediately. Now, one of the side hustles that pays very well is what we called freelance microservice. What do I mean by freelance microservice? I mean that you should sell what you know or sell what you can learn fast. Okay. Now, before you think that I don't have any skills, listen very closely. You don't need to be a pro or designer, a coder, or an expert in anything. No, you just need one simple service people are already paying for. Services like a website like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. They are filled, these whole places or website, they are filled with people making money doing small, repeatable tasks. Things like maybe writing short product descriptions, editing TikTok or YouTube videos, creating basic Canva graphics, even doing voiceovers using free tools like 11 Labs or Audacity, and sometimes as simple as writing email templates or resumes. You understand? So you don't actually need to be the best in the world before you can start this. You just need to be better than someone who doesn't want to do it themselves. So start small, pick one microservice, make your profit look clean and professional, and price it very low in order to attract your first few clients. Because once you get reviews, you can actually go ahead and double or triple your rates. But for a start, you need to start low so that you can be able to get these people. For example, if you offer short video editing at the rate of $10 per video, you can start editing 10 clips a month, which can actually get you, if you sum it up, you're going to get like $100, and that is just for the start. Okay, so you can scale this into $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 per month once you build that confidence and momentum. So this is a pro tip for this number one side hustle. I always recommend that you use AI tools like ChatGPT, your Canva, your CapCut, or Descript in order to speed up your work. You can actually deliver high quality results in minutes, and the client will love this. All right. So freelance microservice are the foundation of online income. You are trading time for money, but you are also building reputation. You are building testimonials. You are building digital skills that can actually open bigger doors later for you. All right. So let's dive into number two side hustle, which is what? Affiliate marketing with no website. That is your beginner passive income. Okay. Now, before you panic, guys, you don't need a website before you start this. You understand? All you need is a YouTube channel or even subscribers to start with. Okay, so affiliate marketing, for those of us that doesn't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing simply means you recommending a product you love. Someone buys it through your special link, and boom, you earn a commission. And you can start promoting these things in platforms like Amazon Associate, ClickBank, Digit Store 24, Impact Reduce, or even Shopify affiliate programs. Okay, now this whole website lets you to promote your product for free. And here is a simple beginner system that you can actually start with. Go to YouTube or TikTok and find a niche you like. If it is fitness, tech, beauty, or side hustle, then find a popular product people are already searching for. Go ahead and sign up for that product affiliate program. Then create simple content that shows the benefits, a short TikTok review, or even a YouTube short, or even Pinterest post. Go ahead and create this, and you can start scaling up immediately. Now, for example, if you are promoting a $50 mini blender that pays 10% commission, that you understand, it earns you that 5% per sale. That is just 20 sales a month. And these 20 sales that you're going to make in a month is going to generate you the $100 that you are seeking for. And the beautiful thing about this is, once your videos are up, they keep getting views and sales 24 hours ASAP, even while you are asleep. Okay, so you need to focus on value-based content. Don't sell, educate people. Show people how a product solves a problem. So if you are shy on camera, you can actually use your AI voices, stock clips, or screen recordings. You understand? And you can also use tools like your Canva video or Pictory in order to make these videos. All right. So affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable side hustle out there. So you need to start small, stay consistent, and your first $100 can easily become your $1,000 per month over the time. Then number 3 side hustles that pays heavily is digital product reselling. In this, you need no inventories, you need no experience. All right. Now, let's talk about the easiest but most underrated ways to make your first $100 online through digital product reselling. So here is the concept behind this. You go ahead, find ready-made digital product like maybe templates, planners, ebook, or digital journals, and you go ahead and sell them online and make your profit. You don't need to create anything from scratch. All you need to do is to use sites like ST. Now ST is for printable and planners. Okay, you can use your Creative Fabrica, plr.me, then plrproduct.com. Now, for your information, PLR stands for private label rights, okay? Meaning that you can actually rebrand someone's product. You can actually rename someone's product, and you can actually go ahead and resell digital items as your own. So you see, no much stress. You can imagine buying a product or buying a digital gratitude journal for a $5 with PLR rights, and reselling it on ST for maybe $10. Then sell 10 of these. That is your hooping first $100. So the best part of this is because you don't even need any shipping, you don't need any packaging, you don't need any inventories. All you need to do is to just upload once, and every sale afterwards is profit. So here is the tips behind this, or things you can actually use in order for you to start this. You can go ahead and use your Canva. If you want to start redesigning this, you can use your Canva to redesign your product covers and add personal touches, make it stand out. Okay, then go ahead and use your Pinterest or TikTok in order to drive free traffic to your ST stores. It is creative, it is simple, and completely beginners friendly. All right, so here is the bonus too, because I promise that at the end I'm going to give out some tips which we actually help you in order to scale up. Okay, now you can actually leverage AI in order to multiply your efforts. Okay, you can actually use this AI to multiply your effort, whether you are writing a fever description, affiliate video script, or product titles. Tools like this ChatGPT, Jasper, or Notion AI, they can actually help you to work this out, even five times faster than most other apps, right? Remember that time is your most valuable currency in the beginning. And AI isn't here to replace human effort. No, AI is simply here to help us, to help our work easier and faster. For some of us that thinks that human beings are becoming lazy simply because of since the AI came into existence, we no longer think on our own. No, the essence of this AI is to help us to make our work very easy. All right. So your first $100 online isn't about the money. No, it is about the profit. You understand? Now, proof. It is a proof that you can actually create value. It is a proof that you can actually show up. And also, it is a proof that you can make something out of nothing. So, once you earn that first dollar online, everything changes, okay? And you're going to stop doubting yourself at that point and start designing your freedom. So don't just watch this video and scroll away. No, go ahead and pick a side hustle. Take action this week, and remember that consistent action beats what? Perfect intentions. So if you find this video valuable, go ahead and hit that like button so that more people can actually see it. And do not forget to subscribe for more weekly side hustle tips and business growth strategies, and also for your motivation in order to help you to break free from this financial limitation. And also go down to the comment section below. Tell me which of these side hustles that you are going to start this week. So guys, until next time, stay focused, stay hungry, and remember, the future belongs to those who takes action. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.